is a rematch from last week, scheduled for one fall with a 15-minute time limit. 15 minutes! Entering first, the soul-taking samurai from Okinawa, Japan. This is Goblin.
Goblin. We've seen Goblin before.
We will begin transmission in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That kid is scared to death. Rightfully so.
I'm starving, I gotta eat hard, and I'll be back in the morning.
I still say it's Darren Castle on that match shots.
His opponent from Gloucester, Massachusetts. He is the Dream Warrior. This is Chainsaw.
He is not the Dream Warrior. Why? He's not even close to any of those movies. He does not remind me of any.
Like the worst one shot. Give me that one.
So he's Freddy's Revenge. Number 2.
Give me that one. They're a couple bad.
Even then, that's better.
Here he comes, future WWE Hall of Famer, Chainsaw.
That's a long time coming there.
Well, I get there before I do.
Buck, you will be in there at least for the next 10 years. You'll be in there before Chad Epic, I'll tell you that.
That's true. All these people in silent reverence of the great Chainsaw.
Whoa, Goblin going right out the gate after Chainsaw, but Chainsaw right there to dodge it and go for a bulldog out the corner. Shatso Manning in tribute.
I thought Chainsaw came out with that. I thought that was his...
Yeah. Yeah, he totally did. Chainsaw wants to fight Goblin here. Right out the
Taking
gate.
it to Goblin, the early goings. Hammering on the chest. It is very loud and annoying Goblin.
You annoyed by Goblin?
I'm annoyed by lot shots.
Yeah, you are. That is a definite.
Combination elbows. Goblin using that concussive shot to get the hell out of Dodge. He's a second to compose himself. Ah! All this checking out Buck. Blasted him with that shot.
Look at these hits to Trash Bin Cara.
Draw shots.
It's hard to be a fan, I'm sorry.
Chainsaw? Kidding me? I'm willing to bet that half the people here right now are here to see Chainsaw.
Really?
Well, we pushed the car on the bill, so they probably thought it was in car.
There is somebody holding a sign over there.
Is that a Chainsaw sign?
Yeah. I'm trying to see what freaking
Got a rainbow on it.
It says Chainsaw finish him. 1, 2, 3, maybe. I think that's what it says.
Oh, what a springboard
Jesus!
elbow.
Jesus!
That was awesome. That's it. 1, 2, and.
Trying to go.
A second attempt to stay the hell down.
Chainsaw is not tired out enough. Obviously, you can see Goblin frustrated.
You'd be frustrated too if you hit a guy with everything you have coming out the top rope, but he kicks out 3 times. Look at these tomahawk chops. Goblin really opening him up here. Wait a minute. Oh, what a shot by the chainsaw.
Stomping away at Goblin. Now going for a pin. Not enough. He needs to have a better strategy than that, and if he wants to win against Goblin.
I haven't seen someone almost stops this rugged Roddy Garvin. That was like 88, so I don't think it's gonna
Yeah, I
happen
was just
today.
gonna say, whoa.
That's way back, kids. Ah, what a slam by Goblin. Ah,
Drops a leg.
Goblin's actually looking pretty good in there right now. But then again, when you're into a chainsaw, it's not hard to look that great. Oh man, Goblin's looking to put the finishing touches on this guy. What's he doing here? Oh man!
Right across the knee.
Neck breaker. Only a 2. It's hard to hear anything with all these chainsaw fans going nuts the entire time.
You're right.
Oh, that's it.
These Chainsaw fans are going absolutely
1,
nuts.
2, chainsaw, cutting up the competition.
And there it is.
Winner of your match, Chainsaw!
God, the deafening roar just popped my ear shots. Damn it. Good advance. Oh, man. Big win for the Dream Warrior.
There it is. What a victory for Chainsaw. Goblin.
Okay. Well, Gus is very attractive. Like people
What?
can't help but throw him. According to him.
Goblin is out of his mind.
You'd ask me to throw yourself a Gus.